Russia's attacks send stock markets plunging around the world on prospects of even higher energy prices and other economic disruptions. The news lifted the prices of oil, gold, and government bonds. Ji-yeon helps us look beyond the figures.
Global equities markets tumbled as investors rush for safety. Brent crude oil prices surpassed $100 a barrel for the first time since 2014 when Russia annexed Crimea. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng Index was down by more than 3%. Japan's Topix dropped by around 2%, and the futures point toward heavy losses for markets in Europe, the UK, and the United States. In the session before, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq plunged by more than 2%.
If tensions with Russia and Ukraine continue, if there is any type of military action going on, I think the Fed will reevaluate what it's going to do with interest rates. The real question mark in both the short term and potentially out through the rest of the year is whether we're able to get global stability politically in all parts of the world.
The whole world is expected to feel the impact of the situation in Ukraine. It'll add to the burden felt by countries that rely heavily on crude imports like South Korea and its companies. Korea's benchmark Kospi fell on Thursday by nearly 3%, closing below 2,700 points at the lowest level in a month. The South Korean government has said it's closely monitoring the situation to minimize the impact on the local economy and businesses. South Korea signaled the possibility of joining the U.S.-led sanctions against Russia, and this could affect South Korean companies Samsung and LG Electronics, which export smartphones and home appliances to Russia. South Korea's Trade Ministry held a meeting Thursday for businesses that could possibly be affected by the turmoil and is maintaining a separate consultative team for local importers and exporters dealing with Ukraine and Russia. Earlier, the ministry had said the Ukraine crisis is likely to have a limited impact on the local economy in short and more direct terms, given that South Korea's trade volumes with both Russia and Ukraine are low. Russia is South Korea's 12th largest trading partner, and Ukraine is the 64th. Ji-yeon, Arirang News.